Good night, you're student Professor Dr.Dolphy Gilpin, and I'm continuing with my probes. Due to the shortage of budgetary finance that is due me, but we are living in a very unjust world, filled with injustice. In almost every state I've gone, most of them, my money that is due me has not been brought forward. Even when judges say that I'm supposed to receive money, I don't receive it. So I don't know what fate to have in America again. If the judges say that I'm supposed to get some money and then I don't get it, then when they say, the judge say you have to go to jail, you usually go to jail. But if now they say you must get some money, you're not getting it. There's no faith in the legal system anymore. America is really going down to the pits. Nevertheless, I'm continuing with my probe. They have inhibited what is due me and inhibited my instrumentation, but nevertheless, I will continue. Even if I have a rod in my hand, I will continue. Okay, I continue probing now in the vicinity of Northwest Philadelphia, Philadelphia Southwest, and that is Philadelphia International Airport and Philadelphia Municipal Airport. Well, let me say, on the history of Philadelphia, I've visited Philadelphia, Pennsylvania is a state, about 7 times now. About 3 times in the 1980s there when I went to the municipal airport to fly airplane as a student pilot. It was a 4th time I went. A prior time I went on a religious encounter. That is the 4th time. The 5th time I went on well, this is multidimensional because it includes everything: religion, faith, science, and everything. And then there was the 6th time I went from the JFK was to administrate on my Amz5x12M matrix at one of them hotel in Philadelphia, which was at the Philadelphia airport itself. And there was a nice hotel. I went and I, as usual, expounded on my Amz5x12M matrix. So like I said, it's about the 7th time. And I don't think I will be back there for a long while. So I'm sending out my probes. And let's start off here now. Like I said, the last time I went from JFK Airport via one of those, I was working at JFK Airport at the time, and I took one of those shuttle down to Philadelphia, and there I, as usual, advertised and expounded on my Amz5x12 matrix, which I've developed over the years, going over 14 years now that I've developed this Amz5x12 matrix from the Caribbean, come straight up. And Philadelphia at that time, I forgot the airport, whether it was Crown Plaza, I believe it was, but one of those hotels over there. Anyhow, let's go. So we are here, we are sending out a probe now, and we're at latitude 40.0758 and longitude minus 75.0063. That's probing in the vicinity of Philadelphia, the state is Pennsylvania. And for the municipal airport, we have northeast, NE stand for northeast there, northeast of central, Boston district. Anyhow, the northeast and its latitude, DMS, latitude, DMS, is now 32 degrees, 47 minutes, 34.19 degrees north. That's latitude. And the longitude minus 89.0 minus 89 degrees 07 minutes and 20.40 seconds. And that's west longitude. And this one is Philadelphia Municipal Airport in the vicinity of Neshoba. County, Mississippi. And they said the nearest city to this would be Philadelphia. Nearest city was Phil. And we have another DD here. We're probing in Pennsylvania, you know, 32.792830162 and minus 89.122332844. This is in degrees. This one was DMS. Let's continue probing in Pennsylvania, Philadelphia airport here. And like I said, I was at one of them, Crown Plaza Hotel in Philadelphia there, describing and administrating on my Amz5x12 matrix discovery. At that time, I didn't do the extension, which was the 15x12 and the sunflower matrix. So tonight I will also include the 15x12 and the 27x12 plus sunflower matrix in this probe. So we have again another latitude and longitude here. Lat 39, and they write it in a different form, you know, with dash, 52, I believe 39 degrees, 52, and then 19 second, and this is 0.502 north. And 0.75 minus 14 0.75 14 dash 26.387 west. These two goes together, and for another yet probing, it will be 39.8720839, then minus 75.2406631. So this would be the DD with latitude and longitude. And we even give the elevation for this one with an elevation of 35.9 feet, which is equivalent to 10.9 meters. Oh, 10.9 meters. Feet. Yeah. And this one is 5 miles southwest of Philadelphia. Pennsylvania. And for the Philadelphia International Airport here, we have KPHL or KPHL, which is the international airport. And the latitude and longitude of 39 degrees, 52 minutes. This is in DMS, 7 seconds north. And now longitude of 75 degrees, 14 minutes, 54 seconds west. So this is for the Philadelphia International Airport. So note we have the municipal airport and we have the international airport. And I've been to both. I've been to the municipal airport there about 3 times as a student pilot in the 1980s. And I've been to one of those hotels with my Amz5x12M matrix. I was working at JFK at the time, so I took one of those JFK shuttle over to Philadelphia there. And let me see, so that would be in the time of about 2015. About 2015, 2016. That was the last time I've been there in Pennsylvania, Philadelphia. But yeah, we're probing, and these are the various coordinates, latitude and longitude of interest. And so we'll have now the Amz5x12M matrix again, and I'm just writing it out in its abbreviated form here, Amz5 multiplied by 12 matrix. And now this is the part I haven't, for the first time though, where I'm extending via the probe, the 15x12. And now the 27x12 via the probe, which is called a sunflower matrix. and all the extension. Notice this one is sort of odd in terms of all of these are multiples of 5, 5 by 12, 15 by 12. We passed 25 by 12 and went to 27 by 12, which is a sunflower. You know, life is not usually all squared and all even. Lot of haphazardness in life. So, all right, so we can extend it stochastically now to the 30 plus, 35 and 40, which will be multiple. 30 multiplied by 12 and 35 multiplied by 12. I know these are of interest and we are working on these physically and done a lot of work on the 5 by 12, 15 by 12 and the 27 by 12. These are further on, we'll come to use very more n multiplied by m, where n and m is very large, not necessarily 12. And we'll come when we're doing our celestial probes when we need some magnanimous numbers. But for the moment, we leave it at our 27 by 12, 30 by 12 sunflower matrix. It's usually called the Richard matrix, but we just have it at the 15 by 7 or La Vista matrix. We call it La Vista. First was Richard, knows La Vista. So we have the 5 by 12, the 15 by 12, the 27 by 12 sunflower, and expanded matrix. And these are the coordinates of interest: Municipal Airport, Philadelphia International Airport, KPHL, and hotels and places of interest in the vicinity of Philadelphia that I've visited. My first visit to Philadelphia was probably in 1979, 1980 year. It was on a religious occasion. So, a religious and family occasion. So this is about the 7th visitation to Philadelphia. And because of other priorities, I sent out the probe if I don't return to you physically. I may or may not return. And so I have my probe out there for substitution.